Welcome to Module 2 of COM 215, Interpersonal Communication. In this module, we'll be discussing two chapters from your textbook. Chapter 4 on elements of verbal messages and Chapter 5 on elements of nonverbal messages. These are key concepts that we will be referring to throughout the rest of our modules. It's a fairly straightforward module. You have two chapters to read, some material provided for you to enhance what you're reading, a discussion question associated with each chapter, and a quiz associated with each chapter. Your written assignment at the end of the module ties a number of things together from both chapters and builds on the material of the last module. But I would like to point out a few things. The written assignment this module involves referring to scenes from the movie The Breakfast Club. This movie has, needless to say, been around for quite a while, and it's easy to find online. Most of you have probably seen it years ago. If that is the case, you might want to refresh your memory by watching some scenes on YouTube. The trick to this assignment is you'll have to use examples of specific verbal and nonverbal messages from the movie in your written assignment. So it's not good enough to just kind of hope that you remember things and refer to things in the movie in general. You'll need specifics. I also wanted to alert you that at the end of Module 3, you will be doing your midterm exam in place of a written assignment. This midterm will mean you will answer in essay format several questions. These questions relate to another movie. The movie is called The Way. Be sure you don't mistake this for The Way Back. It's just The Way. This movie stars the father-son team of Martin Sheen and Emilio Estevez. Let's see, gee, he was in The Breakfast Club too. That's funny. My experience is that most students have not seen this movie, but it's a good one. It's available on Netflix and other sources. It's an emotional and heartwarming story that takes place in the scenic backdrop of Spain along the El Camino Trail. It's important that you view this movie during Module 3, not only so that you can complete the midterm, but this movie is again the subject of your written assignment for Module 4. So when you watch this movie, you're getting a double value for your time. As always, contact me if you see any technical issues with the material or if you need any further direction or have any questions or concerns.